Jelana, let me see your cavity. Oh, wow. Is that your teeth, Jelana? No. Let me see. Dentist. Let me see, dentist. Ay, Melissa and Doug pala yan. Dentist, your friend wanna see your... Oh, are you gonna be a next dentist? You gonna be a dentist? Oh, wow.
Do we need more? Okay, first step.
Dentist.
J.
Dentist.
Yun daw yung...
Ay, may pirma. Ay, ganyan pala. Hello, dentist.
Okay. First step.
Oh,
This one.
dentist, cover your nose, dentist.
Yes, Anita. Jade, head! No, we not do that. Ay, not yet.
Okay, put it back the cavity, please.
Ala, ayaw nang mabalik. Okay.
No, you have to know how to do it. You see the teeth?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ganun.
Oh, kasi ganyan ginagawa, di ba?
Oh.
So you see it?
Yes, I see it.
Oh, there are two.
Ooh, two. How we take it off?
Oh, you eat too much candy. That's why you got lots of cavity.
No,
Whoa.
not to say no, it's a 10 anymore.
Eh.
I did this. I need to do braces.
Oh, she got braces?
If you are fun, I do the 10, I do the braces, okay?
Okay. Are we taking it off?
No.
Not yet. Are we done with this?
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Next,
This
I
one.
need that,
And then
this
this.
one, and that one, and this pink one, and then
I have the pink one. See?
Okay.
Pink one and then the cup.
the top.
Dentist.
This one here,
Okay.
one here.
Ay, meron palang plastic. Ay, manual.
Manual, ano ba naman?
Ay, walang di battery. Ay, baka doon na pindutin mo kaya sa tuktok.
Let me tell you, you do this.
I know, but how about this? Hindi. Okay. Hindi ba yung tuktok dyan? Wala. Ay, wala. Ay, sayang.
Ba yan?
Then,
Are we taking it off?
not to the outlet.
Not yet.
Yeah. And on the end.
Okay.
That off.
Done. Next. This. Take it off now. Your turn. Okay, next. Di pa natanggal yung cavities.
Not to the office.
Take it off now.
Now we no. We're not doing this anymore. Not this.
Not that, not yet.
Now we're doing no.
Brush mo na, brush.
Brush your teeth.
Di pa natanggal ni...
Wait, I think I want.
Ah. Are we taking off the cavities now?
No.
Tagal naman.
This one hard. No, don't do this.
I did. I put already. Maanghang na. La, wiggly yung teeth niya. Okay, next. Use the wipes, not your hands.
Now we need
Floss. Luwag naman. What?
This one hard to do it.
I'm taking off the cavities, see?
You kidding?
Ba't di ba natin tanggalin to?
You do this. This one hard to do over here.
Okay. All done. Floss is done. Next.
Don't do over here. How did this?
If
Yeah. That is
like this, close.